I get along with my client, and we've gone butted heads before, but that's what usually I do with my clients. But I can tell you he's sincere. He's not a liar, and he admits to when he does wrong. And you asked him, and he said that he did it. He was not allowed to touched her, and did it cause her pain? It sure did. And did he have the intent to touch her that caused pain? And it did. He did that. Now he's guilty of it. So I know that if he's not in jail, I know that he's able to work and be successful and take care of himself. He's not been a drain on society in terms of that. He's not a lazy man. He's not a stupid man. So I think when he's not in relationships that he should not be in, and this had nothing to do with drugs or alcohol, he's just a good person, and he means well and he does well. And this was not a relationship either. There was not a relationship between these two. That was more of a working thing.
That's what's weird, is because in the criminal complaint, the probable cause, which comes from the police report, it identifies her as a girlfriend. It identifies her as something over a period of time, where this could have been something what could have occurred over multiple other incident dates.
And I suspect that I'm just suspecting when Attorney Renicky was going through this and charging this out or whatever, maybe he had contact with the victim in this case, and maybe she also said I was not in a relationship with him at this time period.
Well, and I will go over to the district attorney now to ask from their perspective, because I'm going to say quite clearly in the criminal complaint, which comes from the police reports, which comes from their investigation, which comes from the statements from the witnesses and the victims, it states she is the girlfriend. It states.
Full video on YouTube.